What's up guys, and welcome to your 11th tutorial of bash scripting, and in this tutorial we're still on string comparisons. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, cd desktop bash now we need to do a touch. Nano, our favorite text editor. Okay, hashtag, exclamation mark, shebang, and then your interpreter bin bash. String 1 equals Rayhan. String 2 also equals Okay, now we need the if statement. If $string 1 equals string 2, then echo both strings are equal. Else both strings are not equal. End this with fi. And then to get out of this, you need Control X, Y, enter, and do a cat on screen. Okay, so you have one string, another string. Declare your strings, use an if statement to check if they are equal. If they are equal, both strings are equal. If they're not equal, both strings are not equal. So let's compile this. To compile this, you need chmod plus x string 1 dot slash string 1 There you go. Both strings are equal. Alright guys, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.